Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the light button, and after a second or two the menu should appear. Now you can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. It's going to be this one. And once you select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, no, that's the sleep mode icon, my bad. This is the Do Not Disturb mode. Once you select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the status probably will be off. You can check the status right here. And if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on the icon or press the start button, and the status will change to on. Also, the icon will change the appearance. It won't be crossed out anymore. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, of course. And if you want to disable it, open the control menu again. Of course, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And once you select it, you can tap on it or press the start button to turn it off. And as you can see, the status changed to off. And then we can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.